The coastline is where the unstoppable force of the ocean meets the unyielding strength of the land. It is a place of perpetual battle, of raw energy, and of breathtaking, untamed beauty. These wild frontiers are carved by endless waves and shaped by relentless winds. Telling stories of shipwrecks, ancient rock, and the very power of our planet. Today, we embark on a journey to witness Earth's wildest coastlines. From the misty cliffs of the Atlantic to the remote shores of the Pacific, each coastline has a unique character forged by nature's fury. They are home to spectacular sea stacks, isolated rock formations, and an abundance of wildlife that thrives on the edge. Join us as we explore these powerful landscapes, where the sea and land create a masterpiece of raw and magnificent art. Our journey begins in Ireland with the iconic Cliffs of Moher. These colossal cliffs rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, reaching a height of 214 meters at their highest point. The sheer scale and raw beauty of this rugged coastline are a powerful sight, with waves crashing below and a sense of ancient history in every gust of wind. It is a timeless symbol of the wild Irish coast. Next, we travel to the Hawaiian island of Kauai to witness the stunning Na Pali Coast. Here, majestic volcanic cliffs, covered in lush green foliage, plummet directly into the turquoise Pacific Ocean. This isolated and remote coastline is a masterpiece of natural erosion, with razor-sharp peaks, hidden valleys, and stunning waterfalls that cascade straight into the sea. A truly unique blend of green and blue. Our journey takes us to Australia's Great Ocean Road to witness the famous 12 Apostles. These are not actually a full dozen, but a series of magnificent limestone sea stacks that stand as silent sentinels along a rugged coastline. Carved over millennia by the Southern Ocean's constant assault, these formations are a powerful reminder of the ephemeral nature of the land and the sculpting power of the sea. Finally, we explore a coastline of haunting beauty. The Skeleton Coast of Namibia. Known for its thick fogs, treacherous currents, and the skeletons of hundreds of shipwrecks, this remote stretch of desert coastline is a surreal, eerie landscape. It is a place where the world's oldest desert meets the powerful ocean, creating a unique and desolate beauty that captures the imagination. From the sheer cliffs of Ireland to the eerie shores of Namibia, Earth's wild coastlines are a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. They remind us that the most beautiful places are often the most rugged, and that the meeting of two great forces can create something truly magnificent. Which of these wild coasts captivates you the most? Let us know in the comments below.